Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use reporting tags in Zoho Books. Reporting tags are incredibly useful for categorizing and tracking your financial data across different departments, projects, or any custom category you need, making your reporting much more detailed and insightful. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access settings, as this feature requires administrative access. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where all the customization and configuration options live. Go ahead and click on it to open up the settings panel. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you reach the customization section. This area contains various tools that allow you to tailor Zoho Books to fit your specific business needs. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Reporting Tags. Click on it to access the Reporting Tags management page. Now you're ready to create your first reporting tag. At the top right corner of the Reporting Tags page, you'll notice a button that says Plus New Tag. Click this button to begin setting up a new tag category. This is where you'll define what aspect of your business you want to track and analyze. A form will appear asking you to enter a tag name. This should clearly describe the category you're creating. For instance, if you want to track transactions by department, you might name it Department. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for your reporting needs, as this name will appear throughout your system. Next, you'll see a field where you can enter the different options for this tag. These are the specific values within your category. Type them in separated by commas. For example, if your tag is Department, you might enter Sales, Marketing, HR, Operations. These options will appear as choices whenever you apply this tag to transactions or items in Zoho Books. Once you've filled in both the tag name and options, click the Save button. Your reporting tag is now created and ready to use. You can now apply this tag to invoices, expenses, bills, and other transactions, allowing you to generate reports filtered by these custom categories. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.